going to explain NCERT 9th class exercise 3.3 problem number 2, which is on page number 65. See, in the question it is saying that it will be better to use the graph for this one. Okay, it is better to use the graph. Okay. The question is saying to us, plot the points x comma y given in the following table on the plane. Choose suitable units for distance on the axis. Choose suitable units for the distance of axis. Okay. See here, some of the points it is given, that is x and y. For x minus 2, y 8, minus 1, 7, 0, minus 1.25, 1, 3, 3 and minus 1. 3 minus 1. You know how to draw the graph. Vertical line it is y axis, horizontal it is x axis. Okay. Right side of the origin, all the numbers will be positive. Left side of the origin, all the numbers will be negative. Above it will be positive, below the origin it is negative. Okay. So it is asking now minus 2 comma 8. Where you will find minus 2? Minus 2 is here. Minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8 here. Minus 2 comma 8. Next is minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 comma 7. Minus 1 comma 7. Next is 0 comma minus 1.25. 0 on x axis and minus 1.25 on y axis. See, in between minus 1 and minus 2, you will find 10 small lines. You will find 10 small lines. In the graph, you will find the 10 small lines. Okay. So, in between 2 and 3 small lines, you will find minus 1.25. You will find minus 1.25. Okay. Now next 1 comma 3. 1 on x axis and 3 on y axis. 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. Next 3 comma minus 1. 3 on x axis, minus 1 on y axis. 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. Remember, where you will find minus 1.25? In between minus 1 and minus 2, you will find the small 10 lines. Small light 10 lines you will find. In between 2 and 3 lines. In between small 2 and 3 lines, you will find 0.25. You will find 0.25. This is your answer. How to write the scale? Most of the students still they don't know how to write the scale. Okay. So on x axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. What is unit? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are units. So we have only one number difference in between 1 and 2. So this is 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Remember, your graph, each cell of your graph will be of 1 centimeter. Each cell of your graph will be 1 centimeter. So the gap between 1 and 2 is of 1 centimeter. This is unit. 1 to 2. If suppose if it is given 2, 4, 6. So 2 units is equal to 1 centimeter. 2 units is equal to 1 centimeter. Like that. Here 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Now on y axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Same as it is here also. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Most of the students they don't know how to draw the graph. So it will be very easy way to understand. Okay. So if you have any doubt regarding this problem, you can write in the comment box. Hope everyone understood. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos, share my videos, like my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.